how to make money on Freelancer as a Pinterest marketing specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner or a visitor of the platform, I will just go to hire freelancers in here. Then I'm going to go with skill categories. It's where you can find every skill you're searching for. So let's give it a few seconds to load. So here you can search by categories. We have the websites, IT and software category, and we have also the writing and content category, but the one we're interested in is the marketing one, because we need to find Pinterest marketing specialist. So let's scroll down to find the category we're searching for, and here it is, sales and marketing. So here let's find the letter P to find Pinterest marketing, product marketing. So the P is down here, product marketing, payroll, podcasting. So we don't have any Pinterest marketing in here. So let's just find marketers as a whole. So let's search. We have brand, click, Instagram, inbound marketing, interactive, market analysis, marketing strategy. So do we go with marketing strategy or marketing? Let's choose marketing strategy. And here you can hire expert marketing strategists for any job. And by scrolling down, you will be able to see their profiles. So here, let's click on see more marketing strategists. And here it shows 97 results. But if we removed online, if we unfiltered only online users and we want to see the whole freelancers in here, you can see that we have 11,916 results. So those are a lot of competitors. So we will need a great profile in order to stand out in front of all these competitors. So first, let's check this someone's profile just to show you an example of what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a profile picture like this one, how you can add a cover photo to your profile, how you can add a profile picture. And by the way, those are some good pictures that this man has in here. Good colors and good profile picture. It's standing out. I saw a lot of profiles in this platform, and this one stand out a lot for me. And I'm also going to show you how you can add or make a description for your profile. Let's check this man's description. I help visionary entrepreneurs achieve long-term business success through marketing and sales automation, creating scalable platforms with innovative techniques. I aid in the startup and expansion of firms. I've successfully increased my clients' revenue by millions of dollars while finding ways to save thousands in monthly membership and advertising costs. Within 3 to 6 months, I've helped several clients reduce their monthly membership fees by up to 15% to 50% and increase their advertising return on investment by up to 5 times. Over the past 5 years, I've partnered with early stage startups, established organizations, and leadership teams to optimize business processes, launch marketing automation efforts, and build digital infrastructures for scalable growth. So this is a decent description for the profile. So let's close this window and let's head to creating our own profile. So let's go back to the main page and here click on earn money freelancing. Then make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then click on join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to click on login and I'm going to move on with my username and my password. Then click on login. Then you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can control everything about your profile. So this is your dashboard, and in your top right you have this button where you can control everything about your account, from viewing your profile to your membership to your account analytics, bid insights and your settings. And when it comes to your finances, you can also check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, check your transaction history, your financial dashboard and your payment sharing as well. And so let's go to view our profile in here. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of adjustments to make to our profile. The first thing we need to do is to add a profile picture, then add a cover photo as well. Then you move on to the verifications. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. Verify your identity through a government issued ID check and a proof of address, and verify your payment method, verify your phone number as well, and your email, and connect your Facebook account. Then you move on to adding your portfolio. And here, if you click on edit profile, you will be able to add your hourly rate and your professional headline and your description as well. Then you move on to the top skills. It's where you can enter your skill. So here, let's go to find our skill. Let's remove this one and let's enter our skill, Pinterest marketing specialist. Let's remove Pinterest, and here let's remove specialist. And here we have internet marketing, we have marketing, social media marketing. So you can choose as many skills as you can perform. Then you scroll down and you click on save to save those changes. Then you go to browse, click on projects, and you will be able to apply for projects that you can make money from working on. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.